Hey everybody, so today I have a product. This is called the iFlame Diffuser, and I did test it out. It is pretty cool actually, but this top part, it does come off, and you'll fill it up here. You'll put some water in there. You could also put some essential oils and things like that. There is an LED light strip. Try and do it without popping any water, but it's a little strip. I'll show that again here in a moment. Now, as for this part, there is a little cutout here. There is a little remote. The remote, you can power it on and off, control the timer, and you can also turn the light on and off. You can also stick it in place and you can leave it there. The other thing that you could do is, if you don't like that look, you could take this, you can spin it around and just do the white blank right there in the front. Now, with the remote off, you also get some of the glow there as well. The cord that comes with it is a Type-C. Now, it doesn't come with a brick, so you will have to have your own. With it being USB, though, I can power it with anything. I'm powering it with a phone charger. All right, and then use the remote, turn it on, and this thing is actually really cool. At first I was trying to figure out the whole iFlame thing, but as soon as it started working and I started seeing this, and yeah, it's really cool. I'll turn out the lights a little bit here in just a second to kind of show you a little bit more. But anyway, this is the iFlame Diffuser. You could also adjust the light, so if you want it to be dimmer or you just want it completely off, that's okay. You just want the humidifier part of it. But I think the light's pretty cool. You should leave it on. Anyway, I'll dim the lights real quick. I'll show it to you. All right, with the lights dimmed, you can definitely see where it's got that, iFlame effect. It looks really cool, really neat. And the glow there doesn't bother me, but if it bothers you, like I said, flip it around. You can also put the remote in there and just leave it there. But anyway, this is the iFlame Diffuser. And if you want some more information, I'll put a link down below. And yeah, I would say that this is one of the coolest humidifiers or diffusers that I have tested.